Yo, what up guys, it's your boy Famous Beat from Daesp Culture Studio Entertainment. So today I will break it down how I made industry standard beat. So yeah, let's dive in, let's vibe in, let's dive in. So this one is particularly this particular sound I got it from Piano Uno contact library. This one I got it from Omnisphere. So the name of the preset is PG Saint Wooly. So that is the name of the preset. This is another sound again. So you can see I got this one from Semantic Block. So Ocean Block, I mean. So this one I got it from SKYK. Let me show you the key. You can see the name of this preset is About Time, SKYK. So this bass, so if you want to listen to this bass, you have to put on your headphone. So you can see I got this sound from Trillian bass. So the name of the preset is TRRNB Mute. So very, very realistic. I so much love this particular plugin. I normally get all this realistic kind of bass VST. So yeah, you can see I got this sound from Omnisphere. The name of the preset is LO Labo Lit. You can see so this particular one now I got it from contact library. You can see, so the name of the preset is Signal Paganino Solo Violin. So that is where I got the sound from. I just added it to to make it much more interesting and sound much interesting. So just some sample that I got somewhere that I chopped to to just add some flavor, to add some sauce to the sound, so to just make it even much lively, and then just to keep it going. You can see this particular one I consolidate it. I don't know if I remember where I got the sound. Yeah, you can see some other ones. You can see these are all the samples. You see. You can see. So I tried to compile all these particular samples to give it much more, to make it more interesting and make it more fuller, so that the sound at least maybe sound much more emotional, and then sound much more excited. So you can see. So these are the one shots. You can see. So these are the one shots and everything together. You can see. I use a very, very soft kick. You can see. So let me play from this side. You can see. Very simple at the same time, sound even much more professional, sound much industry standard kind of vibe. So because I carefully picked the one shot. Yeah. So this one I added it to just give it you can see. So I added it to add more sauce to the beat, to add more, woo, something like that. If I didn't add conga to this particular beat, then it's not complete because conga must be there. So you can see I added some live conga. You can see. Let me play it. Let me solo it. You can see. You can see. See how it's added much more life to it. So this is how I make my beat. I added another set of conga here at that particular instant just to give it even more, just to add much more life present to it. So you can see, let me play it from there again. You can see. These are the rolling. So this is all. So for the drum, you have to make sure your kick and then the bass don't clash. So guys, this is how I take my sound from normal sound to industry standard level. So I'll be sharing more tips on how to make music from mixing to mastering stages, and then the way I do it. There's a way different people approach mixing and then also mastering. So the way I do it, I'm going to show us the way I run my mixing and mastering. So don't forget to like and comment, subscribe to this channel. Till meet next time. Thank you.